Could you realize that Tesla stock can make you a millionaire? C. Why renowned investor Cathie Wood said as much by continuing to watch. It makes sense that many investors, including those holding Tesla shares, have been apprehensive about their investments in light of the recent stock price changes. Some investors lost hope and began selling the equities they were holding, but some investors continue to be hopeful. However, since their hard-earned money is on the line, nobody can really blame them. In spite of this drawback, Cathie would suggest learning how to use Tesla stock to become a millionaire. As most people are probably well aware, Tesla is an American automobile and sustainable energy firm that develops, designs, builds, rents, and sells energy generation and storage systems, as well as electric vehicles in the US and other countries. With aspirational and environmentally conscious objectives, Tesla rose to global recognition. In actuality, Tesla leads the market for electric vehicles, with other manufacturers trailing closely behind. Why should we pay attention to what Cathie Wood has to say, and who is she? According to Forbes, Cathie Wood is an American investor, a renowned stock picker, and the founder, CEO, and CEO of ARK Invest, a $60 billion firm that makes investments in cutting-edge technologies like genomics and self-driving cars. Because of her ability to persuade others with her investing arguments and her track record of success, supporting her surprisingly astute claims, Cathie Wood is frequently referred to as the most underappreciated investor in the game. Additionally, Wood is well known for her monthly updates on a variety of topics, including innovations, monetary and economic policies, what's to be expected in her area of expertise, and commentary on Fed decisions. The United States Central Bank, the Federal Reserve System, or Fed for short, is in charge of overseeing the country's financial and monetary systems. According to Cathie Wood's current estimates, Tesla might be valued close to $5 trillion by 2026. Star investor fund ARK Investment Management has placed a significant wager on Tesla, an electric car manufacturer. In a recent interview, Wood said that her base case for Tesla is about $3,000 per share, and that their estimation of the company's success has increased. She clarified that this is because, in spite of other businesses' forays into the electric vehicle sector, their market share increased significantly rather than decreased. Last thing I'd word of, Wood selling part of her Tesla stocks went viral online amid the recent decline in the company's stock price. News reports state that longtime Tesla bull Cathie Wood began to appear a little less optimistic. For the first time in almost 5 years, the Elon Musk-led electric vehicle behemoth Tesla lost its position as the largest holding in ARK Invest flagship ARK Innovation during the course of the previous month, as the fund gradually reduced its holdings in the business. But in recent months, rumors circulated on the internet that Cathie Wood of ARK Invest was once again heavily investing in Tesla cars. Wood is now grabbing more shares of the discounted stock. A few days ago, two of her exchange-traded funds reportedly acquired Tesla shares. 1893, shares were purchased by ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, RQ, and 1107, shares were purchased by ARK Next Generation ETF, I recall. In response to severe losses in the severely damaged stock, ARK Investment Management has acquired an estimated $28 million worth of Tesla shares during a violent sell-off in technology peers. With the electric vehicle maker holding the second highest weight in the portfolio, Zoom surpassed Tesla to become ARK's largest position location. It is rumored that Cathie Wood is buying Tesla stock at an accelerated rate due to the stock's declining value. ARK Invest sold 8,100 shares of Tesla at an estimated $5.76 million, giving up nearly 0.5% of its holdings in the business as its shares rose. As a result, Wood continues to closely monitor Tesla as one of his innovation-focused ETFs. Do you think owning Tesla stock will make you a millionaire in the end? Post your ideas in the space provided for comments below. David Trainer, the CEO of investment analysis from New Constructs, stated, "It will be difficult to hold a position when the stock has been falling so much as Tesla has been down every day. However, I also believe that it does indicate a slight shift in confidence." He continued to say, "A lot has happened in the last few months that would give anybody with a sense of fiduciary duty pause about what to think about Elon Musk and the businesses he's involved in." Wood is still a strong supporter of Tesla, though. Indeed, Wood stated in an April interview with Yahoo Finance that she still has the utmost faith in Tesla. After Wood disclosed that ARK had met with Mary Barra, the CEO of General Motors, she made this statement: "Before Toyota overtook it as the biggest car maker globally. For 77 years, the United States' largest automaker, General Motors Company, is a multinational American corporation that manufactures automobiles." Why does Cathie Wood think that Tesla stock can make someone a millionaire. She claims that if you look at Tesla's revenue growth over the last 5 years, it has grown at a compound annual rate of about 48. And she underlined that it happened even during a period when Tesla was dealing with numerous issues. She went on to say that, speaking for herself and ARK Invest, their projection for the following 10 years is between 50 and 60. I invest in Tesla stock. A recent article in Barron's Magazine, an American weekly monthly newspaper covering market movements, pertinent statistics, and U.S. financial information, suggests that this is an excellent time to purchase Tesla stock. The discussion is far from over, with some analysts predicting a crash and others expecting profits of over 100. And analysts note that shares of the leader in electric vehicles appear exceptionally attractive based on 2 indicators. For Tesla shares, the average price target is dollars, meaning a gain of almost 35 from the current levels. When the market crashed in March 2020 as the pandemic struck the United States, the metric last appeared to be in good shape. Wood outlines the opportunity for investors to acquire millionaires by holding Tesla shares until 2025 in a recent video. She stated that there are a few important factors, one of which is the market share of EVs, which is in the low 20s globally, as she asserted. And she believes Tesla would be able to reach that when asked why she had set a $3,000 price target for Tesla 2025. She went on to say that the percentage in the United States right now is about 60. And Wood says that she and her investment firm, ARK Invest, think Tesla will stay at the top of the electric vehicle market, particularly if it's the first company in the US to successfully implement autonomous driving. She continued, "We're beginning to believe that not only will Tesla take the biggest share of the electric vehicle market, we also believe that it could take 20 to 25 share of the total auto market in 5 years. That's by 2026. What exactly is the proof that purchasing Tesla stock will make one wealthy? Well, let me ask. First, on December 28, 2021, it was revealed that Musk had declared selling $16.04 billion worth of Tesla stock since early November, or around 10 of his total ownership position in the company. Furthermore, Tesla released their first quarter 2022 net earnings of $3.03 billion, a record for the quarter that above Wall Street projections. While revenue increased 81 year over year to $18.08 billion. Of course, considering how poorly stock prices have been performing in the stock market, there is no certainty that Tesla will be able to publish the same gratifying results for investors. Large firms from all around the world have been witnessing a decline in stock values, not just Tesla, despite the word being used imprecisely. The COVID-19 epidemic and Russia's invasion of Ukraine are 2 worldwide concerns that have contributed to economic imbalance. Unquestionably, these conditions have had a significant impact on the global economy. Analysts are projecting things other than inflation and the impending global recession. What assurances exist that Tesla will function well in spite of these obstacles? Some may wonder. Analysts and investors agree that Tesla continues to lead the electric vehicle, or EV, market. Once more, Musk revealed that since early November of last year, sales of Tesla stock have totaled $16.04 billion. Recall that China's COVID lockdowns had an impact on production. In addition, Tesla formally opened its German facility close to Berlin on March 22, 2022, adding to the auto manufacturing facilities in Shanghai, Texas, and California. Additionally, Tesla said on March 28, 2022, that it would divide its shares subject to shareholder approval in order to increase the authorized number of shares at its 2022 annual meeting. Remember that there is no assurance that Tesla will perform in line with analyst projections or Elon Musk's own expectations. Before entering the stock market, it is crucial to do a thorough research of it because there are many factors that might affect how stocks perform. For more content about Tesla stocks, check out our other videos on the channel.